Hello everyone! In this lesson, we'll study the common motion control instructions of Siemens PLC with a focus on the classification of homing models for the home return instruction. Next, let's learn about the common motion control instructions of Siemens PLC. The motion control instructions list of Siemens PLC is shown in the figure. These function instructions enable mechanical system to execute complex motion sequences, perform precise and highly repetitive tasks, and significantly enhance the automation and the accuracy of industrial production processes. Now, let's dive into the several key motion control instructions. This includes various modes of axis power on instruction, MC power and homing instruction, MC home, and the function, application methods and precautions of fault reset instruction, MC reset. Relative motion instruction, MC move relative, and jogging instruction, MC move jog. First, let's learn about the axis power on instruction, MC power. The descriptions of its pin, function, and parameters are shown in the table below. The axis power on instruction, MC power, switches the servo driver to the operation state. Axis represents the axis technology object. Enable is the enable terminal. When enable is set to true, the axis specified by axis enters the operation state. Setting the axis to the operational state can realize this axis control. Setting enable to false can remove the operational state of the axis specified by axis. After the operational state is removed, the axis doesn't accept motion instruction, and axis control can be achieved. Stop mode is the stop mode. When the stop mode is 0, the axis decelerates at the configured emergency stop deceleration rate. When the stop mode is 1, the axis is immediately stopped without a delay, and the pulse output stops immediately. Status indicates the enable state of the axis. When the parameter error is 1, it indicates that an error occurred during instruction startup. Next, please answer this question. In the motion control instruction of Siemens PLC, which instruction switches the servo driver to the operational state? A. MC home, B. MC power, C. MC reset, D. MC move relative. I will give you 5 seconds to think, and will show the answer after 5 seconds. The answer to this question is B. Did everyone choose the right answer? Next, we will learn about the reset instruction, MC reset. The pin, function, and the parameter descriptions are shown in the table below. The MC reset instruction is used to reset the error status of the axis. When an error occurs in the axis. This instruction can clear the error status and restart the axis. Execute is the execution terminal parameter, which triggers the instruction on a rising edge. When the done parameter is 1, it indicates that the error has been confirmed. We'll continue to learn about the homing instruction MC Home. The pin functions and parameter descriptions are shown in the table below. The homing instruction MC Home is used to return to the 0 point or set the 0 point. Its function is to establish a position-based relationship between the control system and the mechanical system through the origin detection system. In general, Siemens PLC motion control must perform homing or searching for a reference point before enabling absolute positioning. Execute is the execution terminal parameter, which triggers the instruction on a rising edge and can also be triggered after the axis is homed. Position is the value for setting the 0 point position. Mode is the mode parameter used to configure the homing mode. However, we can see that there are 4 homing mode settings. For specific differences, please refer to the after-class materials. Next, please answer this question. In the homing instruction MC Home, what value should the mode parameter be set to indicate absolute direct homing? A 0, B 1, C 2, D 3. I will give you 5 seconds to think and will show the answer after 5 seconds. The answer to this question is A. Did everyone choose the right answer? Next, let's learn about the mode parameters of the homing instruction. First, let's understand the absolute direct homing mode equal 0. This is illustrated by the following example. When the MC Home instruction is triggered in this mode, the axis doesn't move, nor does it search for a home switch. The result of executing the instruction is that the axis coordinate is directly updated to new coordinate. The new coordinate is the value in the position P of the MC Home instruction. For example, if position equals 0 mm, the current axis coordinate value is updated to 0 mm. This is an absolute coordinate value, meaning the axis has established an absolute coordinate system. The MC Home mode that enables absolute motion allows users to perform absolute motion operation without a home switch. Second, let's learn the relative direct homing mode equal 1. Similar to mode equal 0, the axis doesn't move when the MC Home instruction is triggered. It only updates the current position value. The update method differs from mode equal 0. The new position of the axis is calculated by adding the value of the position parameter to the original coordinate. As shown below, after executing the MC home instruction, the axis position is updated to 220 mm and the coordinates of points A and C are adjusted accordingly. The pin functions and the parameter descriptions for MC move relative are shown in the table below. The MC move relative instruction moves the axis by a specified distance relative to its current position at a defined velocity. Distance is used to specify the displacement relative to the current position, where positive, negative values indicate direction. Velocity indicates the moving velocity. Next, please answer this question. Which of the following instructions is used to reset the error status of the axis and restart it? A. MC power. B. MC home. C. MC reset. D. MC move jog. I will give you 5 seconds to think, and will show the answer after 5 seconds. The answer to this question is C. Did everyone choose the right answer? Let's look at the question. In the MC move relative instruction, which parameter is used to set the distance and the direction of movement relative to the current position of the axis? A. Axis. B. Execute. C. Distance. D. Velocity. I will give you 5 seconds to think, and will show the answer after 5 seconds. The answer to this question is C. Did everyone choose the right answer? Okay, let's keep going. The pin functions and the parameter descriptions for the jogging instruction MC move jog are as follows. MC move jog enables continuously movement of the axis at a specified speed in jog mode. Jog forward is forward jogging. It's not triggered by rising edge. The axis runs when jog forward is 1 and stops when jog forward is 0. Similar to a button, the axis moves while pressed and stops when released. Jog backward is reverse jogging. Its application method is identical to jog forward. Next, please answer this question. In the jogging instruction, MC move jog, which parameter should be set to 1 to make this axis rotate forward? A. Jog forward. B. Jog backward. C. Velocity. D. Invelocity. I will give you 5 seconds to think, and will show the answer after 5 seconds. The answer to this question is A. Did everyone choose the right answer? Okay, let's keep going. Everyone, in this lesson, we covered the Siemens PLC motion control instructions. Focusing on homing mode, classifications of homing instruction. Through instructions like MC power and MC home, we achieved motion control like axis powered on and homing. For practical applications Please watch the corresponding practice videos in this chapter. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching.